Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. I believe my dream will come true. I want to learn English because it can change my life. Every day I wake up with hope and thank God for a new opportunity. I know success does not arrive in one day. I keep on studying, even when I feel tired. I trust that my hard work will give good results in the future. Sometimes I make mistakes, but I never give up. I read simple books, watch English videos, and practice with short conversations. When I do not understand a word, I look up its meaning in a dictionary. Little by little, I become more confident. My family always cheers me on and tells me to continue. Their support gives me strength. I also go over my notes every evening because reviewing helps me remember new words. Every morning I carry on with my study plan, even if I only have a short time. I believe that one small step is better than doing nothing. I plant my dream with faith and place it in God's hands. I know He has a perfect plan for me. One day I will speak English with confidence, help other people, and enjoy new opportunities because I never stopped believing or working toward my dream. Vocabulary. Wake up. Keep on. Give up. Look up. Cheer on. Go over. Carry on. Intermediate English. Learning English is one of the greatest goals in my life. I know that real success takes time, patience, and faith. Every morning I set out to improve my English skills with a positive attitude. Even when lessons become difficult, I stick to my study schedule because consistency creates progress. Whenever I find a challenging grammar rule, I figure out the best way to understand it by reading examples and practicing every day. I also write down useful expressions so I can remember them later. This habit helps me organize my learning journey. There are moments when I feel discouraged, but I always move on instead of focusing on my mistakes. I know that every error teaches me something valuable. My teachers and friends always point out areas where I can improve, and I appreciate their advice because it helps me grow. At the end of each week, I look back at everything I have learned. Seeing my improvement reminds me that every small effort matters. I trust God with my dreams and believe He is guiding every step of my journey. One step at a time is better than standing still. With faith, discipline, and perseverance, I am confident that learning English will open new doors and create wonderful opportunities for my future. Vocabulary. Set out. Stick to. Figure out. Write down. Move on. Point out. Look back. Advanced English. Mastering English is not simply an academic objective, it is a personal commitment that reflects my faith, determination, and vision for the future. Every day I strive for excellence, knowing that meaningful achievements require dedication and perseverance. Rather than becoming discouraged by setbacks, I bounce back with renewed motivation and confidence. Whenever I encounter complex vocabulary or challenging grammar, I work through each difficulty patiently until I fully understand it. I also build on the knowledge I gained yesterday, recognizing that lasting progress is the result of continuous improvement. My confidence grows because every lesson strengthens both my language skills and my character. I never fall behind because I remain disciplined and focused on my long-term goals. When unexpected obstacles appear, I deal with them calmly, trusting that every challenge has a valuable lesson to teach. I also reach out to teachers and classmates whenever I need guidance, understanding that learning is more effective when people support one another. I firmly believe that planting my dreams with faith and placing them in God's hands gives purpose to every effort I make. One small step each day is far better than remaining inactive. Through patience, perseverance, and unwavering faith, I am confident that I will become fluent in English and embrace the opportunities that God has prepared for my future. Vocabulary. strive for, bounce back, work through, build on, fall behind, deal with, reach out. Great job today. Glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.